Hi everybody, my name is Daphne from Freshfield Fitness, and if you're thinking of beginning Tai Chi or you're just new to a Tai Chi class, then you're going to come across some of our basic Tai Chi stances, and I thought I'd put together a couple of different sessions to really focus on recapping the details of those first Tai Chi steps, and that way I hope I'm going to help you on your Tai Chi journey to master these basics, and that will transfer through to your Tai Chi practice and your Tai Chi forms. In today's session, we're going to look at the horse stance. Again, another kind of bread and butter move for us. So let's get started. So our horse stance again crops up as a Tai Chi basic. It's one of those Tai Chi steps that you're first going to learn as you start Tai Chi. I'm going to take our feet slightly wider than hip width for this position. Our feet are pointing forwards, and what I'd like you to do is think about your posture. So one of our Tai Chi principles is posture, and it's this feeling of sinking our body weight into the floor, being heavy down below, but at the same time lifting up through the crown, like I'm a piece of string being pulled from top to bottom. And if you engage your core by pulling belly button through to spine, this is going to help you really hold that posture nice, but we still want to keep everything relaxed. So that's the first thing to think about as we're going to sink into our horse stance. So our horse stance really is just a deep knee bend in this position. I want you to think about tucking your tailbone under or down. So we're sinking down, straight down the middle. Weight is 50-50 on each foot, and your body should be aiming dead center. We don't want to stick our bottom out to get further down. That's not the point here. The idea is to be sitting on a horse. Knees are pointing in the direction of our toes, and my thigh position is really strong, so I want to try and avoid knocking the knees. I want to be pushing out with those legs, making it a really strong position. Let me just do it to the side so you can see that sinking down. I want to tuck my tailbone under or down. It's going right down in a sort of nice straight line position. I don't want to be doing this to get lower down. So nice position here in our horse stance. Sat or perched here, just like it on a horse. Again, there are different ways to modify and make easy that horse stance, or progress the movement if you want a more challenging position. So first of all, modification, basically just keeping everything smaller. So a smaller stance and a smaller knee bend is absolutely fine. I would always say listen to your own body and adapt your Tai Chi to suit your body. You want to keep safe and comfortable as you're moving. Likewise, if you want to go deeper, then a progression is a really wide stance, and we want to sit right down. Maybe a little bit further right down here, and it's a really rooted position. Really strong in the thighs here. Obviously we've got to pay attention to those knees, and it's quite a challenging position, especially if you're working in a hold in this horse stance. Okay, so to practice our horse stance, we're going to take our feet into the position that we want for our own horse stance, and we're just going to inhale here and exhale, and I want you to visualize sinking the weight slowly into that horse stance. Let's do that again. So nice inhale, and we exhale on the effort of the bend. So slow, calm breathing. Let's go again. And what you want to do is try and hit the same horse stance position every time you sink into it. And that way your body will remember, and then when you're in the middle of a Tai Chi form, you will hit that perfect horse stance as part of your Tai Chi practice. So let's just enjoy this movement. So I'm going to bring my feet together and we're going to step out to our horse stance on alternating sides. Again, just as a practice, get used to feeling where that horse stance position is for you. So we're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe out and sink the weight so we can peel one foot off. We're going to place it out into that parallel or wider parallel, and then we can inhale. We can exhale, sinking into your horse stance, and then we're just going to step back 2 feet together. Let's do it in the opposite direction. So sink the weight and then we can peel this foot off. Everything done with lots of intention. Center the weight. Let's inhale. Sink down into that horse stance. Remember your posture and then step back in. Let's go again. A nice inhale. And exhale. Remembering to tuck that tailbone under or down like it's aiming directly for the floor. And we're really sinking that body weight down. And final one. Inhale, exhale. Nice calm breathing. Everything relaxed. So I hope that session has recapped on the basic horse stance and made you think about what position of the feet and the depth of the knee bend is going to suit you best. I'm no perfect practitioner, so again, I always listen to my own body. So give me a like and a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the session, and I'll see you again next time.